today's video, we're going to show you some stainless dent repair with resident expert Chris Nicholson. Chris, tell me a little bit about how long you've been working on DeLoreans and removing dents.
Oh, around 30 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how many cars do you think you've actually done some work on?
It's hard, but approximately 1,600 cars, I believe.
So 1,600 cars. So we'll show you this dent that's kind of a nasty one on a hood. And this is, hard to find gas flap hood, so worth the effort to try to take this dent out. And we're going to give you a time lapse of Chris going to town on this. So hope you enjoy that today.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
exactly what I expected. It's just hitting on the underbody all the time. Well, yeah, let me go with this
Got
one.
like 15 to choose from.
I'm gonna bend this. I'm gonna bend this angle first before that is my last resort.
Yeah. Well, I don't care if you need it. You need it. It's probably cheaper than any of those tools, so go for it.
Well, when I was in Australia, I said to each owner, because there's so many tools, I said, "Can you please bring a paint roller?" Going a paint roller. I'm going, yeah, because I might need
if
to
I
take
can't
the dent out.
fix it, I'm going to fill it and paint it.
It's going to paint it over, yeah, with a bit of emulsion.
So if all else fails, just go in the back room and find a paint roller.
Poutine. Chris.
That's bought me a bit more.
Yeah, I see how it's not going in there.
I knew that would be the arse. Let's see. Now it needs to go a bit more. Take that. This is not exactly going to plan at the moment.
That's my car. I moved it like 5 or 6 times and never got let it get warm.
No way I would have cantilevered that out.
Oh man, oh man.
Every instinct in me is telling me to pull this panel.
You had a lot of pressure on that last pull.
Yeah, and
it didn't hardly move. You got it a little bit, but
it hardly touched it. was all sunken in, and I've lifted it all back up, and now I'm going to carry on flattening off the material and hopefully get it all back to stock.
So we've had Chris with us for about 12 days knocking out dents, and in that time we've done about 20 cars. Some of those were full car, some of those were loose panels that Chris worked, and we showed you the worst of the dents that were here, the deepest ones. And like a fine wine, Chris, I think you get better with age at this stuff.
Thanks very much.
I mean, it's pretty incredible work. I hope you guys like watching a true master at his craft, and you just blew me away this last few weeks.
Thanks, Mike. Really appreciate being here.
Okay, no problem. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, Chris work these panels over, and that's it for now.